Hey guys, welcome back. This is your host Phil from underKG.com, and what we have here is another wireless charging base. This one is from Mophie. You can just open it. There is the charging base, and we're just gonna pull it open. And beneath that is the usual. There is the charger itself. It's a power adapter that provides power to your wireless charging base. And wireless charging base quick start guide. This is the wireless charging base itself. It's pretty heavy. It's got its weight to it, so it doesn't just like slip around on your table. And here is the charging adapter. It has an output of 19 volts. That's pretty high. 19 volts, 1.3 amps. So multiply 19 by 1.3. Roughly 25 watts of power coming out from this wireless charging base, and the power goes in right there. You can't use this with the standard micro USB or USB Type-C or even the lightning connector. They made the adapter, the end of the adapter, this way, so it matches to the design of the charging base. And here we go. So this is the charger, and it's Qi standard, so it should work with most of the phones, including the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10 itself. So just place it on top of it, and it starts charging. And you can place an Android phone, like a Galaxy Note 8 right here, and it's gonna start charging wirelessly as well. Although I don't see fast wireless charging, it only says charging wirelessly, and at 13% of battery left, it says 3 hours of time left to fully charge. So it obviously does not support fast wireless charging with your Samsung or Android devices. So that was a quick look on Mophie wireless charging base. It looks nice, it's circular, it's rubbery, so it doesn't seem like it's gonna scratch your phone anytime soon. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments. You can always meet us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Google+. We'll see you guys later. Ciao.